Learning without reflection is a waste, and reflection without learning is dangerous. A very beautiful quote I had recently came across. Hello, my name is Saurabh Jain. Once upon a while there was a museum, a mirror museum, having different type of mirrors, concave, convex, and other funny mirrors also, which reflect one's image in very different and funny manner. In the museum there was a hall full of mirrors only. That means the wall, the ceiling, and the ground. Everywhere there are mirrors only. If somebody enters in the room, he or she will find numerous number of their own reflections everywhere. Unlucky day for a dog, a stray dog, had just slipped into the museum and into that specific hall. It was evening time, the museum got closed. That means we have a situation where there is a stray dog inside a hall surrounded with mirrors for the whole night, as the museum is planned to be opened next morning. As expected, the dog had started barking on the reflections, without learning that these are mere reflections rather than other stray dogs who are trying to attack him. Since the hall was empty, there was sound echo, and sound also came back with multifold increased volume. The dog had started chasing an image. In return, all the images which are surrounding the dog had responded back with the same body language. In the morning, when the museum was opened, the stray dog was found dead. Yes, dead. This taught a very good lesson to us. Sometimes we start creating some aura or some negative imagination, due to which our actions respond in that manner. But I would like to add, firstly, we should go and do the fact check, or we should understand that reflection without learning is really a dangerous thing. Like in the recent times, in the COVID times, I'm not making up, but once upon a while I was at a medical store. A person had came and was asking with the medical person, the representative over there, whether can I wash my vegetables with the sanitizer which I am about to purchase. Shocking. Obviously these are very hard times for one and all, but we should definitely understand that by creating a panic or by just not understanding the ground reality, we will be ending ourselves or making our situation more worse by creating that negative aura or by not understanding the facts. Thank you. Thanks a lot.